This 2024 Grand Design Momentum 22 MAV is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, microwave, LP detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, awning, smoke detector, water heater, air conditioning, oven, refrigerator, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum 22 MAV is 5,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.